Hello guys. So this is a world that I've been working on for quite a little while now. I'm yeah, so on my last video you barely could hear me because of the locomotives. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get one of the trains out of the what is it called? A roundabout that I've made and send it going. And then I'm going to pick a random train with eeny meeny miny mo. Hopefully I don't have to use that to stop the train, this train actually. So let's get this thing moving. Alright, so things that I've learned, this is the reverser. So if I'm gonna go forward, I set it all the way up here. I'm gonna circle it with my mouse right here. And then down here, the right thing, reverser, it is down right now. So that doesn't mean that it makes the train go backwards, it's just off. So let's slowly apply this model. I can't speak, and as soon as I turn this off, so I try to get away as soon as possible. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. So yeah, I really need to stop procrastinating and finish this part, but I built a dam so that yeah. Oh, that train is going now. I also built a bridge over here, but that's kind of cool. So yeah, and I'm not gonna spoil too much, but yeah. If you have any recommendations on more mods that I should try, by the way, there's this guy that I used to watch, whenever I was younger. I'm not gonna mention his name, but he does music. He really likes model trains, and he basically tried this mod once. I watched it, and I really liked it. And for so long I've been wanting it, and finally I have it because now I understand how to mod stuff with Java Edition. Yeah, you can only get this in Java Edition, I think. But once I see that Wild West locomotive come back here at a blazing speed, I'll have it. I'll send a random train to go out for it. The same thing happened once. I'm just reacting it for some reason. But while I'm waiting, I might as well finish this up a little bit. Right. If you think I should actually learn how to edit, comment it down below. Oh crap. So this mod is called Immersive Railroading. So yeah. Well, that train's going now, so I'll close my eyes. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Something, jumping, jumping. Okay, so it seems that we are doing this. Okay, so let me grab a wrench real quick. It's what we use to turn the table. So boom, right click. Okay, now I had to click F5 to get into third person view. Now I'm just gonna let this coast, and then if it goes too far, I'll just hit this brake right here. I think this is the emergency brake, but yeah. Anyway, so Okay, that's on there well. Okay. I'm going to set this locomotive going whenever I see that one locomotive come back. So yeah, it should be coming soon. Do you think I should do some more Minecraft stuff? So yeah. Oh, send it going! Okay, for some reason it's not making a lot of noise now, but I don't know if you can hear me. So yeah. The reason that I stopped talking was because you couldn't even hear me anyway, so yeah. Another mod that I have installed is called Immersive Engineering. for the reason that I don't really like the trains in the Immersive Railroading mod because they don't have any fuel. And then I installed Immersive Engineering and I'm like, what if biodiesel works? And I put it in and it's like, it makes startup noises and it seems like it's going to run, but it just doesn't. So, do y'all have any recommendations? So yeah. Hope you had a good time watching this video. It's pretty short, but yeah. So yeah. Hope you had a good hope you had a good time watching this video. So yeah. I don't know why I'm doing this. Yeah, but so yeah. I'll end it off right here and 3, 2, 1, bam.